kasi now, the House of Representatives, dati, kandara pa sila. Kay VP Sara ng no questions asked, confidential funds. Ngayon, binawi nyo. Siyempre magagalit si Digong sa inyo. Di ba? Uwak-bawi pala kayo eh. Confidential funds, wala rin resibo. I was mayor also before, and naging COA commissioner pa ako. Alam niyo ba liquidation ng Intel fund na yan? Ipapasok lang sa sealed envelope. Nakalagay sa circular, in sealed envelopes. Ang adobo mo, ilagay mo doon, adobong dilaw. Ilagay mo doon sa sealed envelope. Di ba yan papasa sa COA? Kasi sealed envelope yan eh. That's what I've been saying.
Dahil nila ko sa Justice Committee. Kasi i-impeach nila yung Vice President. Para hindi na ako siguro makasali, tinanggal nila ako sa Justice Committee. Ang sabi ko sa kanila, yun ang akala nyo. Subok-subukan ninyo na i-impeach ang Vice President. I will suggest to her that she should engage me as her defense counsel.
Paano mo didiskartehan yan? Eh kung ikaw si Congresswoman Luistro, na member ka rin ng Committee on Justice, eh ang iniharap dito mga kapatid na ebidensya po nitong mga nagreklamo, eh hango sa inyong investigasyon. Sasabihin mo ngayon na hindi ground ito for impeachment?
You cannot say
Malabnaw
that.
ito na dahilan?
You cannot say that.
Hindi ba na-stop ka na doon during the hearing ng Committee on Good Government? So paano mo ngayon i-dispose ito? Paano mo ngayon didiskartehan ito na hindi kayo magmumukhang tanga?
Kung ikaw ay bago pa lamang sa aming channel, ay please huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell. Huwag din kalimutang mag-like para mas maging updated ka palalo sa lahat pa ng bago naming mga
Isa-isahin ko sila doon, tapos sisiled envelope ko para walang makita.
The Congress, aside from doing the Filipino people a favor, so it speaks, eh, magpasa na kayo ng batas na nililimitan nyo yung confidential fund zero sa civilian agencies. At ang Intel fund ay may batas na nag-regulate kung paano yan gagastusin.
Senator Sonny, confidential funds are audited kasi a lot of people assume that they're unauditable, but they
Intel
are
funds are
audited.
also audited.
Yes,
There is
they're
a COA
audited.
circular.
So they can be audited. It's just that, as you pointed out, the rules
No
on
receipts.
liquidation are unclear.
No receipts are required. It's in the
Correct.
circular. You read it.
So what happens to that sealed envelope? Who gets to read it? Who gets to check it?
The
Sila
COA
lang.
auditor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So it's
in
really
case
them.
of national agencies, the office of the chair of COA has a specific officer there in the rank of director.
There are further questions. What happens then?
Well, they can disallow it. You see, the COA is the guardian of the funds of the government.
So
they
the buck
can
stops
disallow
with the COA.
it. Yeah, they can disallow it. But tell me, and no offense to COA, it's a professional organization. I was very happy there, and I have a family there. I feel like I'm family up to now. Meron bang confidential fund o Intel fund na disallow? Wala, di ba? Oh,
Every administration.
grabe ang mga tao ngayon na. Kaya bumagsak yung nila, rating nila. Grabe na yung inflation, grabe na ang rising prices. 60% or more of the GDP ang utang. O baka gusto niyo matulad na kayo sa mga mas mahirap pa na bansa sa atin na halos hindi na tayo makabili ng bigas natin. So, in that context, na poor ang country naton, mag-Intel fund, confidential fund pa kayo na hindi namin alam where you spend it. Napaka-confidential, hindi namin alam. What's up yun sa Constitution? There has to be accountability and transparency, Gretchen. O saan ang transparency dyan kung sealed envelopes yan? Gusto nila lahat, may confi fund sila kasi parang yun ang kanilang kitty-kitty, di ba?
Hold on, I want to take this chance to correct a misconception though. Confidential funds,
The intelligence fund is for military,
And you're okay with that?
bodies.
Huh. And with the amounts, you're okay
It's
with
necessary,
the amounts?
but it's how they spend it that's objectionable. The confidential funds are called as such because they are appropriated for civilian agencies. So, for example, last year, The Department of Transportation had around 30 million. The Department of Social Welfare had 30 million. I mean, who are you going to entail in the DSWD? You know? While the state universities and hospitals, they've cut the budget. But now the president wants 1.2 billion in his confidential fund. The vice president wants what, 500 million? And another 500 million for DepEd, which now, ito masaya. Kasi now the House of Representatives, dati kandara pa sila. Bigay kay BP Sara ng no questions asked, confidential funds. Ngayon, binawi nyo. Siyempre magagalit si Digong sa inyo. Di ba? Uwak-bawi pala kayo eh.
Yung sinabi po ni Presidente.
Hero ba kayo? Hero? Ha? Dahil binawi nyo? Dahil nakinig kayo sa taong bayan? Hindi naman eh.
Yung-
Baka naman politika lang yan.
Nabanggit po ni
In